Connect the host cable to the computer in the machine. Double-click to open the driver software folder. Double-click the first device driver to install. Select to accept the agreement. Double-click the second file to install it. Double-click to open the software folder. An application will appear after decompressing the compressed package. Double-click the application to install it. You can choose the location you want to install it in. After successful installation, open the software to enter the interface. If the port number is not displayed when you first enter the interface, you can click Refresh Serial Port.